my favourite product of the day, and that I'm going to take with me and use forevermore, are these multifunctional pencils. I mean, they're just amazing. Firstly, I expected them to be a kohl consistency, so your traditional pencil, but they're not, they're creamy. And I found out that's because they've got this coconut oil and mixture combination, which makes them really blendable. Traditionally, I would use like creamy products for contour, and these do it, but they're in a pencil and they're portable, and I love the different shades. So you go from the concealer right down to the contour, and I've been blending them through. So for a glowy skin, you don't actually need a base. These provide a really lovely base. They're movable, they're buildable, but they also give the face a lovely glow. I like also how you can go right in with the contour because it's sharpened like a pencil, but it's not a pencil. So you can go right in, you get the shade, the contour, into the neck as well if you want to do that little bit, but they're not over harsh, and yeah, they blend into the skin, so they're really beautiful, and they're just lightweight, and they do the job, and they blend really easily. You don't have to be an expert to use them. So yeah, I've enjoyed using them all.